Hello everyone, welcome to AD Study Today. In this video, we are going to cover all the important current affairs of 26th March 2021. So let's start. So the first question is, in which state Gram Ujala scheme has been launched for poor households to get LED for rupees 10? So the correct answer is option D, Bihar. Its detail is, the Government of India has launched an ambitious scheme called Gram Ujala, under which high-quality, energy-efficient LED bulbs will be given for just rupees 10 per piece in rural areas. In the first phase, 15 million LED bulbs will be distributed across certain villages of 5 states. These include Arrah, Bihar, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh, Nagpur, Maharashtra and Western Gujarat. Union Minister of State Independent Charge for Ministry of Power and Ministry of New and Renewable Energy R.K. Singh launched the Gram Ujala program in Arrah, Bihar through a virtual event. Now the second question is, which state's cabinet has approved the opening of 100 schools with specialized excellence education? The correct answer is option C, Delhi. Its detail is, the Delhi cabinet on March 22, 2021 approved the setting up of 100 schools that would mainly focus on providing specialized excellence education such as in the field of science, technology, engineering and mathematics, that is STEM, performing and visual arts and humanities. Now the next question is, when is the World Tuberculosis Day observed? The correct answer is option A, March 24. Its detail is, World Tuberculosis Day is observed every year on 24 March to create awareness among the public about the global epidemic of tuberculosis, that is TB, and efforts to eliminate the disease. The theme of World Tuberculosis Day 2021 is "The Clock is Ticking." Every year, March 24 is observed as the International Day for the Right to the Truth concerning gross human rights violations and for the dignity of victims to say no to all forms of violence, injustice, and oppression against humanity. Now, the fourth question is, what is the new legal drinking age in Delhi? The correct answer is option A, 21 years. Its detail is, Delhi's Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia announced on March 22, 2021 that the state government has decided to lower the legal age to consume alcohol in the national capital to 21 years. Previously, the legal drinking age in the national capital was 25 years. Now, if you are liking this video, then do subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon. The PDF of this video is given in its description, and I have also given the Facebook link in the description, so you can also follow me on Facebook. Now, the fifth question is, which cricket team has won the Road Safety World Series 2020-2021? The correct answer is option C, India Legends. Its detail is, in cricket, India Legends defeated Sri Lanka Legends by 14 runs to clinch the Road Safety World Series final title held at Shahid Veer Narayan Singh International Stadium in Raipur, Chhattisgarh on March 21, 2021. Now the next question is, how much amount has been allocated to the Khelo India scheme for the period 2021 to 22 to 2025 to 26? The correct answer is option C, 8,750 crore rupees. Its detail is: the Minister of State for Youth Affairs and Sports, Shri Kiren Rijiju, has announced that the Sports Ministry has decided to extend the Khelo India scheme for a period of 5 years from 2021 to 22 to 2025 to 26. An amount of rupees 8,750 crore has been estimated as financial implication of the new Khelo India scheme 2021 to 22 to 2025 to 26 by the Expenditure Finance Committee, that is EFC. Now the next question is: the e-tendering portal Pranit has been launched by which of these organizations? The correct answer is option D, Power Grid. Its detail is: state-owned Power Grid Corporation of India, that is Power Grid, has launched an e-tendering portal called Pranit to make tendering process more transparent. Now the next question is: the Shaheed Bhagat Singh Smarak has been inaugurated in which city on 90th anniversary of Shaheed Divas? The correct answer is option B, New Delhi. Its detail is: the Union Minister of Education, Shri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, virtually inaugurated the Shaheed Bhagat Singh Smarak in New Delhi on March 23, 2021. Now the next question is: who is the head of the Standing External Advisory Committee, that is SEAC, formed by RBI to evaluate applications of universal banks and small finance banks, that is SFBs? The correct answer is option C, Shamla Gopinath. Its detail is: the Reserve Bank of India (RBI) has set up a 5-member Standing External Advisory Committee (SEAC) to evaluate applications for on-tap licensing of universal banks and small finance banks (SFBs). The committee will be chaired by the former RBI Deputy Governor Shamla Gopinath. The panel will have a tenure of 3 years. Now the next question is: UP CM Yogi Adityanath has announced to establish how many PAC, that is PAC, women battalions named after female warriors? The correct answer is option C, 3. Its detail is: UP CM Yogi Adityanath has announced to establish 3 PAC women battalions named after female warriors. The Provincial Armed Constabulary, that is PAC PAC battalions, will be established after women warriors Rani Avantibai Lodhi, Uda Devi and Jhalkari Bai, who sacrificed themselves in India's freedom struggle. These will be set up in Badaun, Lucknow and Gorakhpur. In my last video, I asked you a question. If you haven't seen that video, then you can watch it by clicking on the I button. So I asked, who has won a bronze medal in the 10-meter air rifle at the New Delhi ISSF World Cup? So its correct answer is option C, Divyansh Singh Panwar. Its detail is: the International Shooting Sport Federation ISSF World Cup is being held in New Delhi. Divyansh Singh Panwar, the world's #1 Indian shooter, has won a bronze in the men's 10-meter air rifle competition at the ISSF World Cup 2021 in New Delhi. India's Divyansh Singh Panwar and Ilavenil Valarivan won the gold medal on 22nd March 2021 in the 10-meter air rifle mixed team. Now today's question of the day is, according to a Car Dekho OMG survey, how many percent of customers are willing to buy EVs? The options are A 56, B 58, C 66, or is it D 68? So among these four options, whichever option you think is correct, just write it in the comment box below and I will tell its correct answer in my next video. So till then, bye, take care and thanks for watching this video.